For the Kaiser Willys parts pages, canvas accessories. This is our brand new olive drab canvas repair kit. You'll receive a roll of high quality OD canvas, this package of heavy duty sewing needles, instructions on how to sew and stitch with your new automatic awl. Here's the awl itself. You will need this because the canvas itself is pretty strong. And of course, some high tension OD thread to stitch. These are canvas crash pads for 1941 through 1945 MB and GPW. There are a pair. There is one for the driver and for the passenger quarter side panels. The hardware to install these is included with your purchase. And here's an example of our canvas seat covers and cushions. You can order these seat covers and cushions in your color choices of black, red, gray, or olive drab in vinyl or canvas material. These are all made to fit 1941 through 71 MB, GPW, CJ2A, 3A, 3B, 5, M38, and the M38A1, all made in the USA. And here's one more canvas accessory. This is a jerry can cover. It fits all original style jerry cans, but we do carry all the axe head covers, shovel covers. We have all kinds of glove box bags, headlight covers, tool bags, mechanics bags, owner's bags, all kinds of handmade canvas. So if you're looking for a high quality, American-made canvas accessory for your Willys Jeep restoration, please go 24/7 online at www.kaiserwillys.com or call Mike at 1-888-648-4923 for all your Willys Jeep needs.